Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Photos, so open the app now and tap Albums at the bottom. Once in Albums, scroll to Utilities and tap Hidden to view items you previously hid. If you don't see Hidden, make sure you've enabled it. Open Settings, choose Photos, then toggle Show Hidden Album on. Do this because the hidden album is only a visibility toggle, not a secure vault. Enabling it makes the folder appear in Albums for the next steps. Once the hidden album is open, tap Select and tap each photo or video you want to restore. After selecting, tap the Share button or more 3 dots and choose Unhide. This action moves items back to the library and any albums they belong to. It doesn't duplicate files. If you want to rehide something later, select it in Library, use the Share menu, and choose Hide again. This simple flow ensures you control visibility without altering image quality or metadata. For stronger privacy, enable the Photos lock. Go to Settings Photos and switch Use Face ID or Touch ID for the locked album. Then move Truly Sensitive Images into the Lock Notes feature. Create a note, add photos, lock the note with Face ID, and delete the originals. If you can't find hidden or face syncing issues, make sure iOS is up to date, restart your iPhone, and confirm Show Hidden Album is enabled in Settings Photos. That usually fixes visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.